Hey guys, me at my open house again. So I'm at 51 Caprito Street. Please join me at my open house. It's from 2 to 4. I would love to see you there. I'm going to do a second floor tour today. Okay, ready? Sorry, I always do that with my hand. We're going to go upstairs. It's a 4-bedroom, 4 washroom. This is our first room. It's very neat and tidy and bright. Connects to a washroom. Off to another bedroom. This is not even the master. It's a very good size. Out to the hallway. You have a washroom here. Another bedroom here. And this is your master.